Hello everyone, my name is Aurore, and honestly I don't want Sundanese culture to be known only as lessons or story from the past, so that I wanna promote it more in a way that's relevant to today's time. So that's why I'm participating in Sunda Nyambung Ka Jaman 2026. I wanna learn how to do public speaking and storytelling and also acting techniques, so I can promote it in a way that's more vividly and engagingly. And I hope this program will help me have a better skill of public speaking and also help in a way of promoting Sundanese culture to more people. Sampurasun!